And now all I'm going to do is just file my nails and just kind of smooth them out. Welcome back to my channel. It's Merce from Envy's Creative Creations. For today's lifestyle video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this manicure right here with these Dollar Tree nails. For more videos like this, all you need to do is subscribe and hit that notification bell for uploads. So let's go ahead and get on into the video. Now into our manicure, here are some of the essential things you're going to need. You of course need nail polish, you're going to need a nail kit, nail filer, cotton swabs, and then your glue, and of course your nails of choice. Okay, so now a little bit about the brands of nails. When I look for any type of nails, I look for the short, and so I have these two Kiss ones so far. Every time I'm in Dollar Tree, I go into the beauty section, and if I see some new nails, I'll just pick them up, especially if it's this brand. And especially if they are in short, because it's hard to find the short length. But since I'm always in front of the computer, I need some short nails, and that's why I like these. Now the fun thing about the LA Color ones is that there's always such a variety, like these ones that I have here. They have of course like what they call glitter fest. These are actually short length also, and you know, for me it's just like the unicorn style, and of course your marble with like a teal color, and then a nude, which you can never go wrong with the nude. I love a nude color. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the glue that we're going to need. I have the same glue, the same brand of glue, the Kiss. Now it only applies differently. So this one is actually just a 1-drop applicator, and this is actually a brush on. I did pick this one up at the Dollar Tree, however this one I did pick up at HEB. So I've used this one in the past. It works just as great as this one here, but I just by preference love the brush on. So that's what we're going to use today. Okay, so the next thing is I've already gone in and given my hands a little scrub, just because they were very, very dry. They're kind of still a little dry, but just I'm always have my hands underwater, so and I've been traveling, so I haven't given myself an actual manicure in quite some time. I use this Manicure and Spa. I've had this forever and I love it. You can use, if you don't have anything like this, you can also use make a sugar scrub, which I normally do, with just some sugar, some coconut oil, and essential oil. And if you want to see a DIY on that, leave me a comment down below and give me a thumbs up so I know to make a video on that. Then I went in with my hand lotion, and I absolutely love this lotion, you guys. My skin adores it also. It's in the honeysuckle scent, but for whatever reason it hydrates my hands amazingly. So I like to keep this in the bathroom, in the kitchen. I even put some in a little bottle. I take it with me to the office, and you know, I just constantly put it on when I need it, or just every time I wash my hands. Okay, so for my nail kit, what I'm going to use is I've already cut my nails, and I've already you know, gone in and cut any dry areas from my fingernails with my tools here. But the other essential thing was just a cuticle pushback, which I'm not sure where it's at. I've misplaced it, but I have these wooden ones that I picked up at the beauty store, and they just came in a 10-pack for about $1.29. Really inexpensive. And then of course your nail filer. So that's what we're going to start off with. And this is actually a very essential step to pushing back your cuticle. So you really want to follow through with this, just because it will look more natural. Your nails will look more natural, like if you actually went into the salon. So I've already gone and push back all my cuticles, and the next thing I'm going to do is just file them down. I felt as if this one was just a little too harsh on my nails, so I picked this one up at Sephora a while back. I absolutely love it, and I feel like the filing part is not as harsh on my nails as this one, so I'm gonna stick to this. So I've already gone in and filed my nails on both of my hands, and the only thing I'm doing is now I have my cuticle cutter, and I'm just making sure that my skin is smooth around the edges here. Like, I still have some dryness here, but that's just because my hands were very dry too, but I'm just making sure I have no skin basically. And then I'm going in with my nail filer and just smoothing out the edges of my fingernail. Being that when I did cut my nails earlier before I gave myself the hand scrub, I just went in and cut straight, but I want to smooth the edges around my nails. So that is the next step. So all I'm doing now is just going in with some nail polish remover and just going through my fingernails, making sure I remove any oils or anything that I may have filed down away from my fingernails. And it also gives me a better glance at what my cuticles are looking at, and making sure that if I need to go in and maybe cut some more, then I can do so. But for the most part, everything's looking great. So let's go ahead and move on to our next step. Okay, so I've already gone in and measured my my nails, and if you didn't know this, if you're new to any fake nails or even at the nail salon, the nails will have a number right behind it. This is the number 1, so this is actually going to fit on my thumb, and it fits perfectly. And so what I would do is match it to the other side. But I happen to have a little of a deformed nail on my ring finger, so basically this side here of my nail is flat and then it goes round. It's not probably a really good picture, and it's very hard to tell. So I have to, what would be normally be on this nail, which this one is a 4, I believe I'm using a 5. It's so hard to tell. I'm sorry, this is a 2 and it just fits perfectly. So this, on this hand, my ring finger would be a 4, and on this hand it's a 2. So that's why I went in and measured it just to make sure. And then on my pinkies, because they're so small, I'm actually using a 6. But that's just a little of how a technique that I use. And then the nail filer, for any case that it doesn't fit, just a tad bit too big here on the side. So since I don't have any other options, what I would just go do is just file it down, just to make sure that it fits a little more snug on my fingernail. Alright, so let's go ahead and get on to gluing them on. Now for the gluing part, the instructions on the bottle actually say to add the glue onto the back of the artificial nail and then adhering to the nail bed. However, I am going to do the opposite, and what I'm going to do is the same as the picture and just put the glue on my fingernail and then adhering the nail onto my nail bed. Adding on the nail is a whole different ballgame, so I just know that locating the number on the nail and that facing up, meaning that if I were to turn my hand around, palm facing up, I can see the number on the nail. And then all I do is just slide it in under my cuticle, and I will hold it there for a few seconds. nails have been applied, the next step is to go in and file any smooth edges out. So I didn't mention that this nail filer here, I actually picked up at Sally Beauty Supply, and it is special because it is specifically for artificial nails. That is that, so I'm gonna go ahead and add on my other. Today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Before I go, I do want to leave you with an additional tip. I found that throughout the week while I was using my nails, they actually been popping off here and there. So what I ended up doing was actually putting glue on my nail bed and then inside of the nail and then adhering it on, and it's worked out perfectly since then. If you have any questions, do not forget to leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to give me that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before you leave. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!